for all the other fellow Ohioans or anyone else who had no idea what a 14er was, we are doing a 14er, which means we are going 14,000 foot of elevation. And we're in Ohio at about, I think they said at the All-Star game, Cleveland Indians Stadium is 650. So it's a long way up. This is flat. Zoom in there. There's some people. That's where we're going. We're halfway. Oh, not even. We came to a mine at 13,000 feet. This is our trail. I guess I better show you this at least. Switchbacking.
That sugar kicks in. That helps too. I mean, did they hold gravel
View.
here?
Hello, Karen. Nice to see you. This is our little false peak. Here it is. Ready? Oh, wow. The very peak. Wow.
All I need to do is make it 100 feet back. Oh, Tanner, this feels so good.
We made the top.
Oh, yeah.
Heading back down. We actually descended upon a mountain goat. 25. Oh, there's another one right there. We reached the end. How was it? Okay, in case you wondered why it took so long, we went 2273 feet up. We actually can't even see it from here. It was over top of that. And then just a little past.
I ain't got nothing
It was
for you,
fun.
buddy.